So in this example, what we have got is um, the question goes as a courier that departs from boat depot A and drives on a bearing of 136, a course for 2.4 kilometers to an intersection B, and then he turns right at the intersection and drives at a bearing of 226 degrees at 3.1 kilometers, and you have to find out the distance of C from A and bearing of C from A. So first what I'm going to take is I'm just going to take, let's say, the point A from which the person departs. Now, as you know that the bearing is taken from the north, bearing is taken from the north here. So this angle is 136. So the person travels along this 2.4 kilometers. So he comes to the point B, he comes to the point B, and then from point B, he travels at a bearing of 226. So this is the north from that point. So this bearing is 226. And along this, he basically travels 3.1 kilometers. Now, what they're asking is they're asking what's the distance A to C, distance A to C. Okay, and the bearing of C from A. So bearing of C from A. So when you talk about bearing of C, that is, let's say C is here and A is here. So bearing of C from A in this context will be, let's say this is C, and that is going to be this angle. So first what I'm going to do is, I already know this angle is 136. Okay, so you can, as far as the distance are concerned, what you got to do is you got to find out the angles that are important to solve this question. So now here, this angle is 136. So this angle that we got here, this part here, is basically a 180 minus 136. So it's like this is north A, and here is your B. So when you want to find out this angle is 136, this angle is 44. So here this angle is 44. Now, since this angle is 226, this is 44. If I want to find out what was this angle, so that's going to be 44 plus 226. That is, and if you subtract from 360, you're going to get this as 90 degrees. So actually, then that becomes much easier for us. So once you do this, you can apply straight away Pythagoras to get the distance. Sometimes if this is not 90, it is you could apply cosine rule, because you know this side, you know this side, you could apply cosine rule in order to get the answer. But here it is right angle, so you can just straight away apply Pythagoras. AC square is going to be 2.4 square plus 3.1 square, and you just root it. So that distance is 3.92. Now to get the bearing of C from A, that's this entire angle is, you're going to first find this angle. Okay, so for that you do sine theta is 3.1 over 3.92, or you could do tan theta is 3.1 or 2.4, and get this angle first, this one only till here, and to that angle it comes to 52.3. If I add 136, that's my bearing. So that comes to close to 188 according to the calculations.